In part 3 of this series on Movie Maker, we will add titles and credits to a movie project that we have already created. It's easy to add titles and credits in Movie Maker. You can add any text that you would like, including the title of your movie, your name, the date, and the names of your actors. You can also place the titles anywhere you want, at the beginning or end of a movie, before or after a clip, or even overlaying a clip. You can also adjust the length of time that the title will appear. So let's get started with adding titles. Under number 2, Edit Movie, let's go to Make Titles or Credits. You can also go to Tools, Titles and Credits. First thing you need to do is decide where do you want to add a title. Let's go ahead and add a title at the beginning of our movie. So we'll click the first one, Add Title at the beginning of the movie. Go ahead and type the title. And from here, and you'll see that over in your preview window, here, if you're done, you can go ahead and click Done, Add Title to the Movie. But let's go ahead and make some changes. Let's first look at the font, the text font and color. So we'll click Change the Text Font and Color. Here you can choose from any of the fonts that are already loaded on your computer. In order to see what the font looks like, you will have to actually select the font. You'll see it in your preview window. You can make it bold, you can italicize it, you can underline it. You can change the color of the font by clicking the A, and you can change the color of the background by clicking this color swatch. You can change the transparency of the title. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can left align, center it, or right align it. Once you're finished with the title and the font and color options, let's change how the title is animating. So we'll click Change the Title Animation. This is if you want the title to move in and out on your screen. You'll notice that my title is 2 lines long, so it takes me down to the title's 2 lines. You'll also notice that you have titles that are for 1 line, 2 lines, and then credits. Since we're working on the titles, we'll go ahead and stay up in the title area. Click on one of the animations and you should see it play here in your preview window. If you want it to fly in and fly out, that's kind of fun. It'll also give you a description of what that animation is. So now that we've made all of our changes, let's go ahead and click Done, Add Title to Movie. And we will see that title has been inserted at the beginning of our video because that's the title option that we selected. And if we play it, we'll be able to see the title and then go into our movie. You can adjust the length of the title by clicking on the clip. If you want the title to last longer, or in other words to make it slower, you want to drag the title clip longer. And that will force the title to stay on the screen longer. If you want the title to be faster, click on the title clip and then drag it shorter. That will make the title really fast if we leave it that short. Okay, so adjust the title to the approximate length that you want. We can also, if we decide we want to change that title, if we double click on the title, that'll bring us back to our editing options again. Or if we decide that we don't want the title at all, we can click on the title and hit the delete key on our keyboard and that will get rid of our title. Now that you have a title overlay track down here at the bottom, that is for titles that go over the top of a clip. So if I go back to Make Titles or Credits, you'll notice that you have Add Title on the selected clip. So we can go ahead and click that, type in our title, and I won't make any changes to this. We'll leave it the way it is, just so that you can see what that looks like. I'll click Done, Add Title to Movie, and now here you can see the title overlay. The track is it's on the title overlay track, and when I play through that, you'll see that the title appears on top of the video. In part 4 of this series, we'll look at adding narration and music to see how to add your voice and music to a movie.